All right, I'm gonna send the guys to eat lunch as we are just gonna wait out the rain by eating for a couple of hours. It looks like radar-wise we're gonna be about dry by, or better anyway, by maybe 1 or so. So everything's weathered in up top here, and we just don't want to. I don't want to send them home. Really, they don't want to go home. It should be really, because as soon as we get to safety or something, then the sun comes out and it's overcast or just perfect roofing weather. But see how beautiful the hips are coming. Just dandy. Liquid sunshine. That's all this is. See how we have not yet opened up the ridges for the ridge vents. That is by design. Because we knew something was coming. We just thought it was not coming till 4 or 5. It came before 11. All right, shout out from the rooftops. All secure, all dry. Low slope is drying and draining just wonderfully. Perfect. We'll be back.